My name is Tero Järvinen. I'm working at Granlund in the Innovation and Development Department as a technology director. My background is a HVAC designer, but I have been in this position about 7-8 years now, so I do not work anymore like projects, but more like research and development of our design systems and all these kind of things. So we started the project in buildingSMART Finland as we need to standardize our information content in IFC files. And we have good group there, and every company in Finland are making models, but the information content is different depending on the company. So that's why we realized that we need to standardize our workflows and our information content. And that's maybe the main reason that we could have a machine readable information from IFC files to use the third-party softwares. What we cannot do now, we have to have manual work when we are using the information in IFCs. This is the first time when we are talking like information content that we should have similar content, for example space objects, space types, zones and these kind of things, that we could standardize the property set as the same way in architectural models and mechanical models. Because in Finland we are making combined models with using IFCs. So we are not linking like Revit models or AutoCAD models together. We are linking IFCs and we are weaving that information content with Solibri or Navisworks or whatever Tekla BIM site. And now when we have standardized content, we can also understand better each other's. So architects can read mechanical models better and we can read architectural models. And talking about software vendors in Finland, we are in a really good situation because, for example, we have Solibri, we have Tekla, we have MagicCAD, we have CADs from Kymdata, we have SimpleBIM, we have lots of different kind of software vendors who are really heavily pushing IFC also. So that's how we have close connections. We know correct persons in each company and our feedback is really fast to these companies. This is not unique, but this is like we have studied many naming systems and standardizations from other countries. For example, Kobe, or quite close look at the Swedish BIP systems, also Danish Kunigo systems and these kind of things. And we have gathered, for our opinion, the best ways what they have invented, and we are like stealing everything from them and creating similar, almost like a similar content, but the point of view is from Finnish companies. But this kind of standardization has been already done, but for my opinion it's not so heavily used, but at least not in Finland. And that's why we want to use this standardized information content better. At least my opinion is that we do not use straight IFC information content, for example, in facility management. So IFC is exchange format of information. It's good exchange format for that, but if we want to use models facility management, we need to add more information to models. And it's no use to add information to graphical models, like open a Revit and add information of warranty period and these kind of things. It makes no sense. So we want to push the information to cloud databases and then use these databases and gather information and update the information straight to the databases without opening 3D models. And IFC is exchange format, and that's how we want to keep it. So we do not want to update IFCs all the time. We could update the information with using IFCs as a starting point. We have two product lines. We have Granlund Manager, which is for facility management, and Granlund Designer, which is for designing and construction phase. So for example, ground designer deals with device equipment information which is not inside of the IFCs. For example, HVAC unit, air handling unit, you only have like a big block in your IFC which tells you that this is your air handling unit. But inside of the air handling unit you have filters, you have fans, you have silencers, and that information is in an external database, and in our case it's a ground designer. And when we link this information, we will have all information what we need in facility management, and then we continue with the ground manager brand. I think it will be at the end of June is the first release of our standardization, and we know already that that's not the final version, but we could have more feedback with that versions. And after summer vacations, and at least in year 2017, we will upgrade our information. We will have a tight collaboration with the architects and mechanical designers and constructors, that we could have similar information content. So that's what we need to do still, but we are quite close already. But it will take a couple of months still to work. We will publish the information in buildingSMART Finland websites. It will be in English also, so please welcome to use it. And as we are published common BIM requirements in Finland 2012, that's also available